How does clenching and grinding of your teeth makes you look older than your age? In this video, I'm going to talk about the triangle of youth and conversion of triangle of youth to the pyramid of aging as a result of clenching and grinding. I'm Dr. Maryam Horiyat at Aria Dental, a holistic, integrative, cosmetic dental practice in South Orange County of California. There is a concept in the youth called triangle of youth, which actually comes from high volume cheek, very defined jawbone lines, and as we get older, triangle of youth converts to a pyramid of aging. When we clench and grind our teeth, few things happen. One is that our facial muscles, muscle of mastication, mainly masseters and temporalis, bulk up. When the muscles of your face, mastication muscles, bulk up, your face becomes more round and you lose the triangle of youth and you look much older than your age. The other thing that happens, as we clench and grind, we end up getting more worn teeth. Our teeth get shorter. Our brain ultimately wants our teeth to come together. As a result, we end up overclosing our mouth. When we overclose our mouth, we lose our lip and our face appearance, but because our facial muscles and our lips sink in. When they do that, then basically we look much older than our old age. The other thing that can happen when we clench and grind is that we lose collagen much faster in our face, in our gum, and therefore we also lose jawbone faster. As a result of losing our jawbone, which holding your teeth together, facial muscles sink in and they make you older. It makes your gum recede. When the gum recession happens, your teeth looks longer and misshaped. That makes you look older. We can prevent clenching, grinding. We can actually, if you already had the damage from clenching, grinding, we can find out how we can restore this worn teeth to make you much younger and give you a much more attractive appearance. If you want to get more information, please contact our office at Aria Dental, and then you can also subscribe and share and like so you can get more information how to prevent clenching and grinding so you can stay younger.